Forget this new year, new me bullshit. Your success should not be confined to a certain set of dates. Those days don't matter more than this day or any other day. Every single day that you are alive, that is a day that you should be moving the needle forward. I don't care if it's January, February, March, or any other month. I don't care how the year's been. I don't care what you want to do in the next one. All you have is today. All you have is what is right in front of you. And what is right in front of you is an opportunity to do better. So you're not going to self-destruct until the calendar flips to January 1st. You're not going to call it quits in the middle of February when you mess up your progress. You are going to look at the opportunity that is right in front of you and you are going to seize it. That is how you go from old you to new you, not sitting around waiting for the calendar to flip to a certain day.
What's up, seashells? It's Shelby and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Shelby and let's just say that I'm a lifestyle content creator. We're just gonna leave it at that. I decided that I wasn't going to do the regular, oh, if you want to boss up for the new year, this is what you should do. I don't want to do this whole new year, new me bullshit that everybody always does and I used to do. But I do want to reflect because I am just so grateful for everything that has happened to me. One thing for the new year that I want to do content wise is stop being afraid to film in public and talk to my camera. Although I did pick a very quiet area of this place, like literally it's just me around here, but I feel like the speaker is literally right there, which is why the music sounds so loud. But anywho, as much as I did put in the work to be where I'm at, I also could not have done half of it without you guys. What were your goals at the beginning of 2023 and did you achieve them? I want you guys to also answer this in the comments below, but I will say what some of my goals were and what I did achieve. Probably I won't tell you guys what I didn't achieve because it's going back on the 2024 vision board. First things first that we're going to address, I wanted 50k subscribers at the end of the year. But I have 33,900 and something, right? I actually gained over 10k subscribers within that year. I didn't know that I could gain 10,000 people or more in a year. That is actually crazy. So I'm really appreciative of all the OG seashells and the new seashells and the future or potential seashells. Okay? I know that I didn't put in the work to get to 50k subscribers. So I was kind of just putting it out there in the air, and if it happen, happen, and if it don't happen, it don't happen. But guess what? I'm closer to 50k now than I was last year. So this year, I feel it. I feel it in my bones. And another thing that I want to do is I'm going to pretend like I just started my YouTube journey this year because I feel like I've been slacking because I've been on this platform so long and I've stopped putting in like the heavy work, and I'm kind of afraid of what people might think of me again, especially with me vlogging in public. People literally come up the stairs and I look at them right now and I am still filming. I'm going to be putting out all my cringe content. I don't care if anybody wants to say, what is this? I'm going to put it out no matter what. Because at the end of the day, it's my content and I want me want to put out. Whoever don't like it, just don't like it. I know people will gravitate towards it. So that's just that. First of all, I wanted a new apartment. Didn't get that.
You guys know this. I have been stressing about it for the entire year and it didn't happen. But I feel like it also didn't happen because your girl has no furniture. I have appliances, I have clothes, I have things of that nature, but I have no furniture because everywhere I've rented is furnished. So it kind of wouldn't make any sense for me to buy furniture because one, I'd have nowhere to put it because I would have no space. But I just didn't care about that when I was planning to move out, because me I said, all right, the most I'll need right now is a fridge and a blow up bed because I can just live out of a suitcase or something. But now I don't have to. When I move out, I have a chest of drawer. I have this fabric 10 drawer dresser from Yeeta Home. Big up Yeeta Home every single time for sending this to your girl. Setup was so easy to do. You know, I am Bobette the builder, so I had no issues at all setting this up, and I got a friend to help me out as well. It seems very sturdy so far. It did come with some extra nails and stuff so you could drill it in the wall for it to stay upright even more, but I don't see the need to do that, so I didn't do that. I have some clothes in there right now and it's still holding up pretty well. I've had it for a little bit now and I just absolutely love it. It fits my aesthetic perfectly. It's not too big, it's not too small, it's literally just the right size. And yeah, your girl is really glad. She's really happy for your piece of furniture because it's giving big girl. Make sure you go over to their website. It will be in my description box below and use my code SHELBY for 20% off your order.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
So basically this is what this corner of my room looks like. The reason why this chest to drawer is not in the corner is because I have a lot of things in my room right now and my closet is literally right there and it won't be able to open and I just can't bother rearrange the room. But anyways, perfect. See, I have stuff. I got clothes, I got a bunch of stuff. All in all, what I want to say is don't dwell too much on the goals that you did not accomplish, because I didn't have any furniture and I wanted to get an apartment. So now I do. So I am one more step closer to being able to have my apartment and have some stuff to put in it. So yeah, love that for me.
So I wanted a certain amount of money in my day-to-day account. At one point, I used to just have all my money in one account and I couldn't see what I was saving. I just felt like I was spending and I just wasn't saving. So I wanted to have a certain amount and best believe by the January, I had that in my account and I was like, this is strange. I'm not used to this, but I was so grateful. Another one, I wanted a job. And if you know, you know, I was working with someone remotely and that got cut last year. I didn't even make it to a whole year with that, but we're not going to talk about it. I wanted to get a new phone. You know, I was using the iPhone 10 for a hot minute and then I literally upgraded to an 11 because I just care about phone. If you guys watch my last video, you see I got a 13 Pro at the end of the year. So new phone accomplished. I really wanted to jump in Carnival and I did. And I told myself that I didn't want to pay for it. So I got that sponsored. Big up me. And one of the last things that I achieved was going overseas. I've been wanting to travel. On a no, the Punta Cana vlog, I have not traveled out the country in over 10 years. So you see when that happened, I was very, very happy. So yeah, another one was to gain a specific amount of weight. And even though I didn't gain that amount of weight, I did gain half of that. So how I like to look at it, the stuff that I did not accomplish last year, just know that it's going to be way easier for me to accomplish them this year because I was already on the path to accomplishing them. It just never happened in the timing that I wanted it. But I'm a lot closer now. So I know that all those things that I didn't accomplish last year, I'm putting them back on the 2024 vision board because they're getting done this year. What were some challenges you faced as a content creator in 2023? So I will say consistency, but at the same time, that's where I improved the most because a lot of you guys were like, Shelby, where's the videos? Where are the videos? And for the longest while, I have been uploading my video once a week, almost every week. So big up me for that because there was a time where I was slacking and I really just did not care. But another reason why I know that I wasn't as consistent as I wanted to be was because I have mental health issues. It's not funny. It's not funny. Don't laugh. A lot of time it will cause me to procrastinate or I overthink my content. This year, I'm going to try to take better care of my mental health. I actually tried therapy last year. Didn't work out. But this year, we're going to try someone else. We are fixing our mental health issues this year. We're not going to bring our trauma into the years to come and pass them down to generations. No, we are breaking generational curses and it starts with you and it starts today. Okay? Okay. What brands did I work with last year? Let me pull up my list. Digicel, Make a Food and Drink Kitchen, Homestrike, KFC, Link, Campari, BZR Weekend, that was the Chris Brown concert, and Island Grill. I am literally just so stoked that I worked with so many people last year And the thing is, a lot of them were recurring partnerships. So it's not like a one-off thing. Sometimes they asked me to do 2 more videos, 3 more videos, 4 more videos. And I was working with them consistently. And I'm so happy that maybe some of them was links, because I was just about to say, I know links really get me them, but some of them was probably links, me, I don't know. But whenever they reached out to me, I'm happy that all of them acknowledge my creativity. I know that when I'm putting in all this effort into my editing, it does not go in vain because the people see it. And that's all I wanted. So cheers to that. Cheers to more opportunities like that for this year. Okay. Honestly, I could go on and on about what last year had to offer, what last year brought me, But to be honest, I just want to leave it in the past and keep it pushing. I just don't have the time to be dwelling on things that are already gone or dwell on mistakes that I've made or anything like that. I'm just ready to go. It's go time. I've seen where everybody has this thing where they say, what is the word of the year, or what is a word that you're going to use to define your year? I have 2 words. So 1, selfish, and 2, discipline. I say selfish because I feel like I give way too much of my time to other people and I do not pour enough into myself. So that is the goal for this year. Discipline, I am not disciplined enough. There are days where I am literally no motivation to do anything, but I don't need motivation. I need discipline, because if I want to work towards something, I want certain things in my life, I need to get up and do it, whether I'm motivated or not. I cannot sit down and wait on motivation for me to get my ass up and do what I have to do. So we're going to be disciplined this year. It's going to take a little while. It's going to take some getting used to, but that's ultimately the goal. There's 3 things that I really want this year: a car, an apartment, and a big tote. I need a tote because I need to be bringing my laptop and my planner every single where I go. I need to have a plan and I need to be on the go with my ideas. I need to just pull up my laptop when I need to do something, and that is it, and that is all. I need a car because what am I put the tote in? They can't walk in an office with my big tote. Bite man come snatch it off of me.
Tony out of here. But text me every day.
That not gonna work. So I need a car and I need an apartment because I need a change of environment. My environment is solely mad in me and I need to get out. I need a change of scenery. I literally envision my ideal day in the new year. I want to wake up and not scroll on my phone on TikTok and Instagram as soon as I open my eye. I need to pray. I need to write in my journal. I need to go to the gym. I need to eat properly. I need to work on my business. I need to work on my socials, whether that's YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, whatever. I need to repeat the process until it sticks. I am forcing myself to do these things. It just comes naturally, and that's what I want. But yes, that's pretty much it. This is not one of those videos where I'm going to advise anybody on what to do with their life and blah, 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 because I'm still looking for those videos. I don't have the advice to give you, child. Everything that I said is what I'm going to do. I even made a planner. When the template is done, I will link it in the description box below so you guys can have access to it. But until then, I am just working on myself. I implore you to work on yourself as well. Write down everything that you want for yourself for the year. Write down the person that you do not want to be, and then you write down the person that you want to be. When you look at that list of the things that you don't want to be, make sure you omit it from your life and emulate the characteristics or the traits of the person that you want to be. And yeah, that should be an easy first couple of steps to get you in the direction that you want to go. That's pretty much all I have to say. My breakfast is probably cold now, so thanks for watching my video and I will see you in the next one.
Is it love?